while they're in the basement of the queue.
Brennan's average. Here comes Kerr stepping back in again. Goes in. Save made by McDonald. Scores as it is going to continue to just trying to generate offense off the back end. Looking to the center point for McKinnon. There's a shot wide. Scores this one. Thought initially it went wide, but it gets by him.
You're right. I thought it was going wide as well. The puck, almost a bit of a curveball thrown there. It was floating, and Brennan waved the blocker. It looked like it kind of blasted it wide, and the goal just catches the inside of the post, and the Islanders will take it on the power play. And you talk about who's hot and who's not, and Alex Goulet as hot as they come in the queue. And for the Islanders right now, as you see that puck, it dips about a good 6 inches and beats Brennan on the blocker side. A big power play goal here early on in this second period to tie the hockey game up and give the fans.
Number 2, Luke Duchesne. Time of the goal, 2:30.
2-on-1 the other way. Cobble steps and scores! Spencer Cobble. Brisbois steps in. Kick save off the left pad. Rebound again! And Lightning with the legging down low on that stick side as Mason McDonald with that save. An advantage. They lead by the score of 2-1. Coming back in again. Kennedy scores!
Perfect shot inside the post, and that's going to spell the afternoon for Jacob Brennan. 3 goals on 16 shots, and it's been a reoccurring story here for the Teton. Brennan hasn't been able to get the job done for the Teton. Tough one right there. A perfect shot on the blocker side, and Legacy will come into the goal for the Teton here as they're bleeding a bit. 3 goals here early in this, halfway through this second period.
The Charlottetown Islanders looking for their fourth. Weber with a shot. That one gets away from Legacy. Drains in back, then in front. Shot, where is it? Let's say the net's off. It's a little turn-away pass. Shalapik. He has control. Dishes down low for Sprong. In front. Shot, scores! Goulet with his team leading. He's got the Titans' lone goal, bringing it back 2-on-1. Here comes Spencer Cobble. Sends it back for Kiley. Trying to find a seam. Oh, boys, that broken up. 2-on-1 the other way again. Here again, Shalapik looking for Luke Duchesne. He's in back of everybody. Shoots. Oh, save made again with the